All right, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I really appreciate you tuning in today. We got the Z and the Miata out here right now. We're actually taking the Z down to San Diego, or me and my dad are. I don't know if you guys remember, but like a month ago, we took the 348 Ferrari out for a drive. We actually took it down to West Coast Exotics just to see what they had. And then on our way there, we noticed that it kind of started to smell a little bit like oil. So we weren't sure if there was an oil leak or something. So we didn't want to drive it very much further. So we drove it home that day. And then a few days later, they came with a tow truck and took it down to San Diego to see what's up. They're going to pull the motor on it and everything. Well, all of the work is done. Everything's been figured out. There was a few things. About a year ago, we had Sheepy Race do some of the work on it. They actually dropped the motor and said they replaced a lot of the valves and stuff, but turns out they didn't actually do exactly what they said they were gonna do, so we had to go back in and take the motor out and everything. But anyways, we got it all figured out now. We're headed down to San Diego. We're gonna go pick up the 348, and yeah, that's basically the plan. I do know they have a whole bunch of awesome Ferraris down there, from 458s to like Ferrari Dinos and stuff from like the 70s. They've got it all down there, so I'm super excited to see, because as you guys know, we are huge Ferrari enthusiasts. We love Ferraris and stuff, so that's gonna be awesome. I'm excited. We're waiting for basically for my dad to come outside, and then we're gonna head down there. We're gonna take the Z, which is gonna be awesome. And the Z's been getting so much love lately. I mean, every single video has been about the Z lately, and then the Miata over here. I feel bad. This thing deserves some love. I actually took it for dinner last night. Started up first try after not being started for 14 days or something like that. No issues, no problems whatsoever. So that's awesome. I mean, this thing is like bulletproof. I love it. While we're out here waiting, I mean, I was looking at this, like all this like clear coat that came off that needs to be repainted. I don't know if you guys can see, but like the guy who owned this car last just was very, I don't know, he was just really rough on it, it looks like. Gotta get all this figured out. Maybe I'll just take it to Mako. I might just take it to Mako and tell them to just paint it and see how well it comes out. Because the worst thing is it's not even too bad. Like from this far away, I mean, the car looks great. It's really not too bad. The front bumper and the hatch are like the only two things. And the mirrors. I don't know if you can see, but like these mirrors they're not gloss anymore. But you know, the closer and closer I look, I mean, this right here, this clear coat's starting to peel off on the door. That'll just go all the way down. So I mean, definitely need to be repainted. All right, go time. All right, Shell, pit stop, filling up. Dad's with me. Hey, all right, we're almost there. It's like right down the street. We made it. Bobileff, I don't know how to say it. Bobileff.
There's my car.
Oh yeah. Oh dang. Gotta back it into that spot right there. Boom. Backed it in. Yo, you guys. Here it is. Looks clean. 328. What else you got? I don't even know what that is. Dang. This thing looks so cool. Oh yeah. 328 GTS. These things are underrated too.
Now this one was in there the other day. I couldn't really figure out what it was.
Huh.
Oh,
512?
EV. Nice.
This thing is probably worth a lot.
This is what Sammy Hagar has in that.
Shoot.
Yeah.
Jeez. You guys, there's nothing like classic Ferraris. Like, for the win. The Mondial. These are cool too. These are like, this is like a, I don't even know how you explain this. It's like, I don't know.
Backseat. Right.
I think it does actually.
So these are actually pretty popular.
It does have a backseat. That's weird. This little intake thing is just an interesting afterthought. They literally took that intake and they were like, we gotta blow that up. And they put it massive on the side of the door on the 348, which is, this looks great, you know. Wow, that is interesting.
Go over the top. I should get down first, man.
Yeah, serious.
Maybe not.
The interesting thing is how this has a tan soft top. How many miles? 45,000 miles.
That's it?
45K. And then this, with the black interior. Jeez. Wonder how many miles on this one. Oh, guess. 11,948.
Just getting in restoration on a 365 Boxer in the body shop.
Is it okay if we come out and see your cars real quick? Great, thanks. Awesome.
Oh my gosh. This is amazing.
Great receipt for the car. So, yeah, because the regular t-shirt.
Great, thank you so much. I'm really happy that I was able to find you and get that thing worked on down there.
Oh my gosh.
So we just finished paint work on the 275 GTV.
Wow. Oh my god. Look at that. This is where it happens.
So here we got variety of Lamborghini Miras in restoration, Lamborghini 350 GT, another 350 GT.
Wow.
This is we're starting on 365 BB over here. We've already stripped the nose and the tail. We're going to get into the body and then just do all the mechanicals and cosmetics and interior and all that
It's
sort of
just
stuff.
for like a ground up restoration. Is that what it is?
Yeah.
So somebody recently bought this car? Or?
Yeah, just came in from Texas about a month ago, 3 weeks ago.
And they just want it to be brand new. What year is that car?
This one's 74.
So you guys fabricate all these parts here.
Everything. Bodies, noses, doors, any body section you need.
You can't buy these parts, I suppose.
Nothing. What are you doing out here, Michael?
Using the other rock off the other car just to get an idea of what I need to make for this rock here.
Okay.
That door skin we had to make. We didn't have a door skin on it, did it, when it came in?
Nope.
Wow.
Yeah.
Make the whole door, huh?
Well, I made the nose and everything else. Both of them came in from Paris, and both of them were the
No
same
way.
owner on there, so we're
Shipping
restoring
out from
both.
Paris.
Same time.
Paris, France. I'm assuming.
You're not Paris, California.
Whatever it needs extensive chassis work
Wow.
that's been done on this, and then also, like say body sections that were
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
That's really cool.
the rest of these years during various forms of, cosmetic and mechanical restoration.
Really grown to love the car.
They're amazing
Yeah.
cars. They're so far ahead of their time
Yeah.
on all the, just the design and mechanicals and everything. There wasn't anything even remotely like it when they came out on the marketplace.
That was what year was the?
67
Wow.
when they first started with production. These 3 cars are all pre-production prototype cars.
Wow.
So how many horsepower were these?
They were 370 is advertised when they came out.
Quite a bit
Oh.
back then, right?
Yeah, back then, yeah. Sure was.
Jesus.
There was a blue one. No, there isn't.
Yeah, that's still out here. So we're finishing this one up here. Finishing this up at this point.
Wow. And hers. Is it V12?
Yeah. hmm
Jeez.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Mirror blue is what they call it.
So those are the real
Yeah.
deal.
Yeah.
Wow, this is really cool. Awesome.
I'm like
And then,
in shock.
There's that Dino over there, Johnny. I was
Yep. So we got
Oh.
Dino Coupe and Dino Spider. Both of them are over there. So we're doing servicing on both of those.
What's the most collectible Ferrari from?
So let's say $2.5 to $3 million price point. Definitely by far, it's going to be 275 GTB like this.
Wow.
Then there's going to be Daytona Spiders, which was a convertible version of the Daytona. That's also extremely collectible. A number of the 250s are extremely collectible,
Right.
but the price is up so much higher.
Those are 20 million, right?
It depends on the model. It could be 5 to 60.
Can I go look at that Dino really quick?
Sure.
Awesome.
Come back down. Okay, give me a call. Thanks, dude. These are still killer looking cars.
These are my favorite. I love these ones. I love how it's round.
This with the hard top though today.
Yeah.
God, but look at how little you have to work with as far as the
Oh
motor.
my gosh.
Yeah, get in there. Try to get in there. But that is like a true mid-engine car.
Oh yeah.
So far forward.
It's even sideways. Like you have no extra weight even right here.
And did you know? I didn't know this, but the 348 and the 355 are the only 2 Ferraris you have to take the motor out.
No way.
The service. Yeah, because these are transverse. They're not that way. They built those cars this way.
So you could.
So all the guts are on the front, and they built them to take it out through the bottom. Greg was telling me that
More
these
now.
cars you have to take the motor out through the top. The way the frame is built, there's no room to take it
feel.
out through the bottom. So they
That's probably hard.
Those 2 cars, 348, 355, to go out through the bottom.
So in a way, they're trying to make it easy on themselves, but in the end, it was just really difficult.
It's just a big job. People are scared of it.
I gotta look at the front of this thing. Wow. I love these little like silver pieces right here. These little bumper guards. That's my favorite thing.
It's amazing how much those cars, no one wanted them for the longest time.
So weird.
And then you look at them now, you're like, all right, how could you ever not want one of those?
Yeah.
They really are.
Aren't they beautiful? Just amazing. What'd they sell for brand new? Remember?
I thought they were like 7-ish, 7,000-ish or something like
Oh
that.
my God.
I thought for a while there though, they were like, in contemporary times, they were only like 30 grand.
Wow.
Because no one wanted them.
And now it's $500,000, right?
Yeah, and then 300, 400.
Awesome. Thanks for letting us look around and
Oh, no problem.
hear some stories.
I have to look at this Diablo. You see that back there? It's hidden back here. Oh. I mean, fascinating. 600,000 when it's ready. Jeez. Crazy. These are the radiators that are known for kind of corroding.
Fab round.
Bunch of engines over there.
Wow.
I mean, that's like the most V12s you'll see just sitting casually ever. Voila. It's back in there. Looks amazing. All right, cold start. Oh, really? I can follow you to that shell over there. Alright guys, so we just got back in the Z. Oh my gosh, like I know I haven't said anything really on the camera to you guys, but I've never been to this shop before in my entire life. I didn't even know things like this existed. Like literally down here in Southern California, this shop with like 20 cars in it, they only work and specialize on old Ferraris, which is insane. They also do like old Lamborghinis and stuff, but they specialize on Ferraris. In the back, they have 3 pre-production prototype Lamborghini Miuras, okay? Those are over 1.5 million a piece, and then 1 getting ready for paint. My brain was just, I had no idea. There was $20 million worth of cars in front of me they were just sitting there. Seriously, like $20 million worth of cars just sitting there casually in front of me. I mean, I've never seen so many V12s in one place from like before 1980. Like that was the craziest thing. Oh man, I hope you guys like that, getting the, you know, private footage. I'm sure you guys could hear me like the entire time. Every time we'd go to a new room, like my jaw would hit the floor of amazement. It was just insane. He said that people ship their cars to them from Paris, France. Not Paris, California, Paris, France, okay? Like you'd think that there's people in Paris that would do it. Like that's how prestigious these people are. I just didn't even know that that was down here. Anyways, we're headed back to the house right now. We're gonna follow the 348. It's basically got no gas in it, so we're gonna hit this shell that we were just at a second ago. We're gonna fill up and then we're gonna head back to the house, and that's the plan. There you have it. Another amazing trip in the books. Saw some insane cars, man. Insane. All right, guys, so we made it back. Saw some insane cars today, like literally in the millions and millions and millions of dollars worth of cars today. Even the ones that weren't done or worth millions of dollars. Like, it's just insane to think about just that in general. But anyways, we got the 348 back. Check it out. I mean, this thing is iconic. I mean, we got so many awesome shots of it going down the freeway. I hope you guys like those. We got to race the cars soon. I'm telling you, they're pretty neck and neck. I think we haven't raced them yet, but I think they're pretty neck and neck. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Drop a comment down below if you did. Leave a thumbs up if you did enjoy the video. And if you haven't hit the subscribe button, please do so and join the family. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.